Hello and welcome to the channel. Well, today we're here with Bates Wharf to have a look at this 2022 Rand Leisure 28. Interesting boat, this, fairly new into the UK. Now you can get it with a Mercruiser 6.2 litre V8 down here, which is going to give you circa 45, possibly 50 knots on a good day. But you can also get it as a fully electric boat. Now that makes me think, looking at the way that this layout operates and the quality of the build, that it could easily be a super yacht tender. So massive sun pad on the back, feeding down to a nice teak line bathing platform, audio all the way around, little deck lights everywhere, pop-up cleats. But obviously from a super yacht tender perspective, very, very flush low boat. But anyway, that's my idea. I'm sure if you buy it, you do something different with it. So massive amount of seating around this table, high-low table with the lovely fold-out leaves, as you would have come to expect if you've watched any of these videos. You'll also notice that seat there, I better put those back, they're still quite fresh. Helm seat folds backwards, so the moment that's a helm seat facing forwards, push that forwards and effectively it becomes more dining space or more seating space to fit around the dining table. Mini galley down here, obviously you can see stainless steel teak, lovely stainless steel sink, not stainless steel teak, a stainless steel sink, teak worktop, and then lots and lots of storage cupboards right the way down here, and I believe the end one is a sink. There you go. There's also storage under these as well, so you pop that up. Beautiful lined storage bin in there. It's just so nicely finished. Lovely finishing. So obviously helm seat, pop-up bolster, throttle over there, Lumar bow thruster, and then we have the zip wake system, which is truly incredible. It's like an automated system that balances the boat out for you. Fusion stereo. Little window down there to throw some light into the fore cabin, because you'll notice that there's no fore hatch or no deck hatch on the deck for the fore cabin. Obviously this is very much an open boat, but what you do have tucked away in here is a little heads compartment. So I open that up like so. Little heads in there, still wrapped up. Obviously seating room only, so the boys and the girls are all going to have to sit down. And then quite clever, obviously going back earlier, so if you want to go forwards 3 steps up, you go through the windscreen and that takes you onto this beautiful flush unencumbered deck. So again, super yacht tender, it's screaming to me because there's no rails around the outside. All the anchor handling gear is hidden under the foredeck there. You do get a little day cabin, so if you want to chuck your bags in or just hide under the rain, you can do. Pretty straightforward. Bit of storage, all GRP lines, so it's nice and bright and light, some lovely concealed seating, and again you could crash yourself down if you wanted to. I don't know what's under here. Let's have a quick peek. Oh, just more storage. And there is that little window that we looked at by the navigators or the helm seat feet, which is that one just there. So there you go. That is the Rand. Quite an impressive little boat. The quality of the mouldings is really good. Fit and finish is fantastic. So there you go. If you want to learn more, contact the guys at Bates Wharf and say petrol or electric, your choice. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time round.